Cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, I'm country. Yes, country bumpkin. Y'all, guess what? Someone was bold enough, brave enough to send me their recipe. Laura, I want to thank you, girl. I want to thank you so much because I don't understand why people don't want me to try their recipe. If it's good and their family like it, what's wrong with me trying to make it? Okay? So I can tell other people how it tastes. But then again, you know, some people just don't want to share their recipe because it's just that good. Well, Laura, thank you so very much. Now, I am going to make for you today Laura's recipe. Cheesy chicken and rice bake. Sounds very good, y'all. I know I'm doing some casseroles. Maybe y'all getting tired of casseroles, but just think about it now. Winter is coming. Fall is coming. Okay? People love casseroles. They love those quick meals. They can sit around by the fireplace and just eat, you know. It ain't got to always be a big spread. But we're going to make this. Well, I'm going to make this. So let's get started. Okay, here's all the ingredients that I used. 10.5-ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. I like Campbell's because to me it tastes the best. You can use an off-brand. I'm pretty sure it'll be okay. And I'm going to use broccoli cheese soup. Now, I couldn't find any cream of broccoli soup. I just couldn't find any anywhere. If y'all know where some is, please let me know because it's MIA, missing in action. I have no idea where it's at. I tried 3-4 different stores and there was none. So 10.5-ounce can of broccoli cheese soup. I'm sorry, Laura girl. I'm sorry. It's changing your recipe a little bit, but I couldn't find any. All right. Also, I'm going to use 1 1/3 cup of water. Now, I know this don't look like water. I know it don't. You know what? It's the juice from the canned chicken. And then I had to add a little bit more water. So it's 1 1/3 cups of water. You can do it this way or you don't have to. It's just going to make it taste better, honey. Because it's going to make it taste like chicken. Real chicken. Anyway, I'm sorry, Laura. That's the only thing I really did different. Well, I'm sorry, the broccoli. That was, not under my control right there. All right. And I'm also going to use 3/4 cup of uncooked rice. Uncooked, people, uncooked rice. Don't cook it, uncooked. 3/4 cup. And I'm also going to use, I'm so unorganized, 1 1/2, not 1 1/2, a half a teaspoon of onion powder. Any type we do. I like McCormick. And I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Ground black pepper. I like McCormick or either Watkins. Ground black pepper. It's up to you. It really is. All right. And I'm going to use 2 cans of canned chicken. The 12-ounce can size. And 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. All right. Shredded cheddar cheese. 1 cup. I don't know if you like sharp or whatever, but I think this is just like mild. Either way, it'll be okay, whatever kind you decide to use. She didn't say, she just said shredded cheese, cheddar cheese at that. All right, that's it. Let's move it on. Let's put it all together, honey. Okay, now I'm gonna put this in. The cream of mushroom soup. The canned cream of mushroom soup. I can tell with all these ingredients, it's gonna be pretty good, honey. Then I'm gonna put the broccoli cheese soup in. All right. Put it on in there. It's in there. To get every bit out of there. That's why you have to use a spatula. These things are wonderful. All right, then just stir it around there. Stir it around and mix it. And that's what I'm gonna do. Mix it all together. Smelling good already. That broccoli cheese, hey, that might be the way to go, Laurel. I'm telling you, honey. Ooh, it smells good. When I told you, you said that might be even better. Okay, we'll see. We will see. Then I'm going to put my onion powder. Oops, I almost dropped that bowl in there. Then I'm going to put my pepper. All right, stir it. Stir it around. I know that looked like a lot of pepper for a second there, but hey, that's what I put in there, what you said. That's what I did. All right. Now you're going to use a 9 by 12 glass dish. Okay. That's what you're going to use. Now you just said whether or not I should spray this, but I think I'm going to spray it. I think I'm going to spray it because I don't want to stick into my pan. I don't want to stick it. Well, I forgot to add the water, y'all. The water, the 1 1/3 water. Girl, I hope it don't be like Mama Dips. Okay? Mama Dips was too watery. Super casserole. Ooh, okay, I think I need a spatula for this. I gotta blend this way better than this, honey. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's better. That's better. I guess it's gonna be creamy. Creamy. I like creamy. I do. Creamy. There's a lot of things good that's creamy. See, I guess this is consistency is supposed to be. It smells delicious. Okay, I'm using no stick cooking spray. Okay. I'm assuming it's all right. Maybe you don't need it, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. I hate scrubbing. I'm lazy. I don't like scrubbing. All right. Now she said, I guess pour it in here. Pour into 9 by 12 glass. I'm sorry, it's not a glass. I didn't have a 9 by 12 glass. But I guess the pan will work because this is 9 by 12. This is a 9 by 12, y'all. Pan will work just as good, I'm sure. Let me get all that goodness out of there. We can't leave that in here. Gotta get it all out. Y'all know how it is. That stuff be trying to stay behind. Gotta get it all out. Ooh, yeah. Damn, this smells great. Okay, I'm gonna put the rice in. Maybe I should have done it while I had it in the bowl. I don't know. But I'm just gonna spread it around. It'll be all right. Still gonna cook. It's gonna be all right. All right here. All right. Then it said top with the chicken. Top with the chicken. Ooh. Get in there. Get in there. See, I'm telling you, this really smells really good. Top with the chicken. Top it. Smells great. Try to put it in there evenly, I guess. You know. Chicken. Who don't like chicken? Vegans. They don't like chicken. That's all right. You ain't gonna eat no chicken. Y'all can put that fake chicken in here, I guess. They do have fake chicken. I know fake chicken. What is it? Made out of plants and stuff. It just won't do for me, okay? I can't do fake stuff. I can't do plant-based stuff. I just can't do it, all right? I know it's more healthier for you, but you know what? You're gonna die from something. You might as well die from food that you love, okay? Set your oven to 375 degrees. I know I forgot to say it, but I'm telling you now, okay? Make sure you do that. 375 degrees and let it bake for 45 minutes. Just remember that ovens vary. They vary. All right. Set your timer. Don't forget. 45 minutes, then check it. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Here y'all said this woman needs some oven mitts. Well, you can send me some. You can send me some oven mitts. It's down in the description box, the P.O Box. Take the foil off and see what it looks like. Ooh. Ooh, that look good, girl. That rice look like it's done. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle this cheese on here now. Sprinkle it on there. Ooh. smells good. Smells delicious. Look good too. I'm gonna let you know the truth, girl. I'm gonna let you know if I like it, if you need to add something. I won't be cruel. I won't be cruel, but you know, sometimes people think you're cruel when you say, oh, you need a little, add some salt or something, because the recipe didn't call for no salt, but it might be okay. You know, because we got the cheese, broccoli, and stuff like that, you know. Whew, that really smells good. I know I ain't put that on there evenly. I know I didn't, but I'm assuming that I leave it uncovered. I'm assuming, just so this cheese can cook on top. All right, we'll be back. I'll give it about, maybe 5, 6, 7 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Whew, Lord, that heat fogged up my glasses. Ooh, look at that, honey child. Look at this. Tell me that don't look good. That looks, ooh, I can't wait to bite into this. See, I like mine a little bit brown. You see that? Just a little bit brown, not a whole lot. Woo, okay, let's plate this puppy up. All right, y'all. It's time for a taste test. Look at that. Girl, I'm telling you, it really looks good. Let's see if it tastes good. Let's see, and make sure I get some cheese in there. And get some chicken. You know, a lot of people don't like to use canned chicken, but you know what though? Canned chicken is good in casseroles. It really is. You don't want to have to cook a whole chicken. Even though now canned chicken is kind of expensive now. It was like $7. Yeah, $7 for a 12-ounce can of canned chicken. That's crazy. And I need it too, okay? But if it's cheaper for you to boil your own chicken and cut it up, hey, you can do that. All right, I'm pretty sure. Ain't that right, Laura? Ain't that right? Look at that. Here we go. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, Lord. Girl, that's better than Mama Dip's what I made. Look at that, it's not runny. This the way a casserole bake's supposed to look. Look at that. Oh, it's good. I'm telling you, that broccoli cheese, girl, you might want to try that instead of cream of broccoli. Because that broccoli and cheese, ooh, this is good. I don't know if I'm going to share this with the neighbor. I can't stop eating it. And you don't need no salt. You can taste the broccoli, because you know they had a lot of broccoli in the broccoli and cheese soup. It is so good. I thought it was going to be weird because I didn't add garlic salt, but it still tastes all right without the garlic salt. And no, I put the pepper in there. I can taste a little peppery, but not that much. Not that much. I mean, it's really good. Girl, thank you so much for this recipe. I'm going to make it for my family and see how they like it. You know, I live by myself, so I have to eat this up for myself. Now, maybe I just might have to put it in some little bowls and freeze it. You know, them little freezer bowls that they have. Because I'm telling you, whoo, Lord, this is great. Thank you so much for this recipe. Thank you. Now, I hate talking with food in my mouth. This is so good. And the rice is done. It's great. I'm pretty sure your family loves this every time you make it. Now I want y'all to send me your recipe. Make sure you do that for me, okay? Send me your recipe. Hers turned out great. If you know it's great, and your family love it, and your friends love it, and your co-workers love it every time you take it for a potluck, don't be afraid to send me the recipe. Don't be afraid, okay? Yeah, I'm speaking my mind and tell you how it really tastes. Laura, I'm not lying, honey. It actually tastes great. It's wonderful. Great meal. Heck, I might even make it for Thanksgiving. I think they're going to love it. All right? Now, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Do that for Sandfay and go to timberlilycreations.com. I got mugs over there. If you want to support my YouTube cooking channel, go on over there and buy yourself a mug, okay? Drink you some coffee or something, or some tea while you're watching me cook, all right? All right, with all that being said, y'all, make sure that you come back next week to Cooking with Sandra Evans.